So I decided to work on the Corrado a little bit. I got the Karmanski roof seals here, roof rail trim, whatever you want to call it, and pulled the old trim out. You can see how much, you know, dirt and gunk was down in there. I blew a bunch of it out, but now I'm gonna go and vacuum that out, and then we will wipe that all down, because you need to put down, there used to be some foam tape here to hold down the old seal, and Karmanski ones don't come with any tape, they just come with the new seal. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go and pull this side so you guys can see how you do it. So you just grab here. You want to be careful. These rear deck lid hinges are hinge covers. They're kind of hard to come by, especially in good condition, so I don't want to chinger those up. But pull up on that, see all that gunk that just came out. There's all sorts of crap in there. I'm surprised that these things don't rust out more than they do because of how much crap gets built up. So all that rubber there is all from the old seal. You can see how it's just all deteriorated, rotten. So these old seals gotta go. Pull that back now. Just pull it back. The whole thing will come out pretty easy. All that crap. So out with the old, in with the new. The new ones, I can't remember how much I paid for these. I don't even know if he makes them anymore, but I've had them sitting over on the shelf there for about a year, maybe two. And I think it's close to, I want to say $200 a set. So anybody who is looking for a set, Karmanski, and they're really good quality. They're not exactly the same as the originals, but honestly, probably better. So we'll go ahead and grab the vacuum and get all this crap out, and then after we get it cleaned out, we'll show you, and we'll double side tape those and install the new ones. Okay, so I got the channels cleaned out as best we could. Hit them with Gooby Gone about 4 different times and ran it through and through, and this one actually I need to go back through a little bit better. Still got some residue here, but you can see one of the focuses, see this like silver line on this side. That's where the paint has actually come up, and you can see the primer underneath it. I can't see any steel, but that really worries me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through this, try to get that cleaned out a little bit better, and I'm going to lay down some more paint inside this channel just to preserve it, and so I don't get any rust in there. And then once that's all done, then I'll go back and put the Karmanski trims in. Okay, so I got the first one in. It pushes pretty far forward. And what I noticed is if you do push it all the way forward, then coming back here when you go to push down the rear, you can see it kind of bulges up a little. So you gotta just make sure you maybe test fit it, line it up before you pull the double-sided sticky tape. But it seal's really nice. It's got that rubber strip on the inside there that actually goes all the way to the roof, so you don't have that gap like the old one. Yeah, it turned out real good. So now I gotta go do the other side.